Lowest price per square meter here in Fort Bonifacio, Taguig. Good day, investors. I'm Dam, your property specialist here in Mega World at the Fort. So today, guys, I will be showing you a one-bedroom unit, 35 square meter. So let's go. So you're in a digital lock set wherein you can access it through keycard, fingerprint, and PIN code. So upon entering, we have here the provision for washer and dryer. And then the granite countertop is already included. 2-burner induction cooktop, range hood, overhead and underhead soft close cabinet, sink and retractable faucet by Frank. We have here the video intercom connected to the lobby. So we have here the matte finish ceramic tile, and here in our bathroom, so this is complete with sanitary fittings. So this will be our living and dining area. As you can see, this is so very spacious. And then we have here the aircon, which already included a pipe remover. So let's now look at the master's bedroom. So as you can see, the aircon is already included, the closet. And we have the access to balcony. So that's it for our one bedroom, guys. So we're still offering a no down payment, 0% interest, 36 months to pay with lump sum payment. So in case you needed more information, feel free to contact me again. I'm Dang, your property specialist here in Mega World at the Fort. Have a great day, guys. Bye!